Understanding cooking oil, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, cooking oil. This is a common term you'll encounter in recipes, cooking shows, and when shopping for groceries. So, let's explore what it means and how to use it in your everyday English. Cooking oil refers to any type of fat that is used in cooking. The primary purpose of cooking oil is to cook or prepare food. It's a liquid at room temperature and comes in many different types, such as olive oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil. Cooking oils are used for various cooking methods like frying, sautéing, and baking. There are many types of cooking oils, each with its unique flavor and use. For example, olive oil, often used in Mediterranean cuisine, great for salad dressings and sautéing. Vegetable oil, a general-purpose oil, typically used for frying and baking. Coconut oil, popular in Asian cooking, and is also used in baking for its sweet flavor. Understanding these types can help you choose the right oil for your cooking needs. Cooking oil isn't just for cooking. It plays a significant role in the flavor, texture, and nutritional value of food. Different oils can add distinct tastes to dishes and can affect the texture of baked goods. Additionally, some oils are healthier than others, contributing to the overall nutritional profile of a meal. The phrase, cooking oil, is often used in everyday language, particularly in contexts related to food preparation. You might hear phrases like, "Can you pass me the cooking oil? I'm out of cooking oil. Can I borrow some? Which cooking oil is best for frying?" Being familiar with this term makes understanding and participating in such kitchen-related conversations much easier. I hope this video has helped clarify what cooking oil means and how it's used in both cooking and everyday English. Remember, knowing terms like these can greatly enhance your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in cooking or food culture. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.